Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VHC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, and then on top of that, not only was the price action all over the place, biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. Maybe say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? And that would be if the price can continue to hold above $3.30. Many times today, the price tried to break down through there, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did do a good job of holding strong there as support. So preferably speaking, yeah, staying above there would be best. However, taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that's where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How are you going to best visualize that? No questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 330 would be great, but big picture point of view, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, short-term wise, clearly some have arisen right there at about $3.45 with any sort of strong volume break of $3.45. Next overall level of resistance is just simply not up until where the party stopped today during that first 30 minutes, and that's at $3.65. So all in all, interesting day, good solid volume, nice price volatility. So yeah, let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not next week. Everybody have a great Labor Day weekend. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.